Hello again and welcome to the channel, Package Peepers. Today in this video we will be taking a peep into 3 different style bags ranging from smallest to largest, going over the functionality, why I feel these bags are good for the buy, and discussing exactly what to put in these type bags. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. So the first bag we'll be discussing is the 50-liter nylon waterproof rough sack by Thuram, Thuram. This bag is a camouflage bag, nice size, a thick bag. It's thicker than it is tall. Has, of course, on the outside to be able to hook and carry. You can put your carabiner on there and slide different things all the way down. Has the first compartment right here, a nice size with an extra spot right here. I mean, I have a large size hand, but I can fit my hand all the way in that. You can see it has compartments for your calculator, pens, pencils, etc. You have another slot at the top. You can put food, supplies, maybe your best place where I would put my first aid kit right here so I can get to it. I also have these parts. I like to put, I don't know, for some reason I always put shotgun shells right here. It fits real nice. But you can put whatever you want right here. Third compartment, I want to show you exactly how far it is zipped down. So this third compartment, once again, it has another slot right here. It's a nice size. You can put, I'd put my little miniature shovel right there. You got a couple compartments right here that you can put things in, and you can be able to see what you put in with this mesh right here. Third compartment, and I like the fact that this zips all the way down. You will be able to get in there. Has the mesh on this side as well, and it's two-sided. I mean, well, it has 2 areas. It has this side, which does not have the zipper, and this part at the top has the zipper that you can be able, like say, put whatever you need to put in there and see what you put in there. This side has the elasticity right here. You can set your laptop, computer, and whatever else that you want to put in that. But definitely a nice size. On the side, and these zip all the way down on this part right here, on the big side. But on the sides right here, once again, you can slide all types of things right in this area right here, or hook whatever you want on this. And they have that on both sides. Comes with another compartment on the very back. And this part is padded. I don't want to say insulated, but it is padded. Very roomy. And it's closed with a Velcro. On the outside, you have straps that are padded. Now you can latch this once you have it on and lock this across your body, as well as the bottom. You can also lock this around your body as well and tighten that up. Has a handle at the top And this bag is waterproof. At the bottom here, you can put your blankets, maybe some clothes, something like that, and you can strap it up right here and lock it down nice and tight with these straps right here. So overall, a sturdy bag. It feels very well made. The stitching looks nice on it. Let's see what else gonna. Here on the side, it also has where you can pull that in and make that tighter if you want to really compress your bag after packing everything. It has it on both sides. Yeah. You can lock this here at the top and pull that down as well for a tighter, more secure fit. Like I said, yeah, definitely a good bag to have for camping, SHTF, bug out, regular, everyday usage. It's great. Now, these bags, I believe, retail at $29.95. You know, Amazon has sales and deals up and down on their prices all the time. So we're going to leave the link in the description with this and the other two bags, and you can check it out for yourself. So let's get off into the next bag. All right, and this big bag is from Went Ming. It's a 70-liter waterproof day bag you can use for camping, bug outs. This one retailed at $39.99, so about 40 bucks. Also on Amazon. Let's get into the features. All right, first of all, as you can see down here, this part right here, you can always put, just like the other bag, you can put your blanket, anything that's a nice size, you can put right in here, and then pull this down and latch it in place. We have a compartment here at the bottom, small enough to put your items in, maybe your shower gel and deodorant, things like that. On the outside as well, you have the compartment for your hook and carry, latch on the outside. This is a big bag. Here on the sides, it has the same as the other bag, where you can be able to latch down your bag to make it tighter and compress it. It has that on each side. It has a nice big compartment right here in the front. It has another big compartment on each side. I mean, I'm putting my hand all the way. I have a big hand, but I can put my hand all the way down, and it goes all the way up to past my wrist, and that's on each side. So it has a lot of depth with this bag. Inside the bag, it's just nice and deep. Not really any compartments on the inside. Put your clothes. You can put a lot of stuff in this and have enough room to be able to stack more stuff. Here at the top, it has another compartment. You can put your binoculars, first aid kit, things that you want to be able to get to easily. Right there. On the back, it has the padded straps. Once again, you can latch this across your body for a more secure and snug fit, as well as here at the bottom. And at the bottom, it has the pads also on the side. So you can latch this down and it's more secure on your body. Here at the top, it has the elasticity. And once the bag is closed, it really covers that top part of the bag for a nice seal, which I like. And last but not least, with this bag, what I like about it is on the back side, where you hook that across your body, it also has a built-in whistle, which I thought was pretty cool. I mean, it's not anything huge, but it works. It's loud enough, you can be able to hear it. So I thought that was a real sweet addition onto that. But yeah, Wink Mean 70 liter waterproof. And for as big as this bag is, it's rather light. It feels very well made. It feels actually even thicker than the first one. Let's take a look at the third bag. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna show you exactly what I have in my T10 Faraday bag. Just kind of give you an overall view of how much stuff can fit in there and the overall size of this massive bag. So let's take a look. Now I was able to put all my electronics that I needed and wanted backed up in this Faraday bag, including a 2800 watt Gracell battery that is almost, 45, 50 pounds. So I was able to put everything in with still more room to be able to put other stuff as needed. And so this is a massive bag. And what I like about this bag is that it's actually, to me, bigger than the duffel bag Faraday that they have. And I believe they're selling that bag for $275. And I actually bought this one for $239. So to me, it is a much better buy. You can also put your computer, your anything that you really need to put in to protect you from a EMF or EMP blast, you can put in this thing. Now this Faraday bag is an F10 Faraday bag from Mission Darkness, which is an RF, has RF signal blocking as well as EMP and CME protection. This bag, like I said, was $239, which I was online looking at possibly building my own EMP protector and found out that it was going to range anywhere from $250 to $275. So I figured, why not go online and check out the reviews and get which one I felt was the best. And this, to me, is the best. This F10, it has on your outside, as the other three bags have, for your hook and carry. And it doesn't have a whole lot. It doesn't have anything on the inside. On the back side, it has these two slots. You can put stuff in. You got your hook and carry as well on this outer side. But as far as on the inside, this is it. But it is deep, very deep. And I can put everything that I needed protecting electronically, I was able to put in this bag. So definitely the route I would go. Like I say, their backpack and their duffel bag is nice as well, but For the price, this is a cheaper price than a backpack and a duffel bag. And I believe, to me, it can hold a lot more. So check them out. Let me know what you think. Hopefully this is something that you found informational, that you can use when dealing with how to prep and packing. You can't go wrong with any one of these 3 bags. Me, I would get 2 out of the 3. I would either get the 50 liter and the Faraday, or the 70 liter and the Faraday. All right, but this is exactly what you need as far as protection for your items. You can't go wrong. So hopefully this video helped a lot of people out there, because that's it. We'll catch you on the next one. If you like what you like, please do what you do. Peace.